The year 2017. The entire world has come to an end. Humanity has come to a crashing halt. The end of the world finally came. And everyone asks, how? How did we get here? It wasn't the bomb that destroyed us. It wasn't zombies. In the end, what took us down was the American dream. It killed us in our sleep. We all slipped into that warm bath. And we never woke up again. This is the time for the Road Warrior.
Alrighty, today we're going to be making a Mad Max Road Warrior style hatchet out of this 14-inch heavy-duty pipe wrench. Are you ready to get started? Alrighty, so that annealed and cooled off and everything, so I could get an idea of how this is going together, how it's going to fit. Now, this is a little loosey-goosey. I don't like that, but I'm going to fix it. We'll get it to fit tight and snug with this part, so screw right on, you know. Right now, I'm going to take this piece of mystery steel and try to make a perfect thing that goes into here like this. Just waiting for it to heat up now. Murphy's Law. Beautiful. And there we have it. A piece for the hook on the back. Alright, this is hot. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but all the little bulky hammer marks and they're all smoothed out. It's gonna look like Fred Flintstone forged these things with a rock. That's exactly what we want. Forged. Alright, I'll put it all together here. So you can get an idea of how brutal that's gonna be with a leather handle. Gonna linseed oil finish to make it black. Of course. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Black. Oh yeah, it's oily, it's gritty, it looks like an engine part now. And all that's gonna harden. That black linseed oil finish is gonna protect it from rust. Oh my. And it's got that slick, like an engine exploded and it came flying out into your hand. Lord Almighty. Coffee. Breakfast of champions. I'm really liking it. I barely even sharpened this either. I just went on it with a piece of sandpaper. It's actually pretty dull. But it does an incredible amount of damage. When this is sharp, it will literally go through a motorcycle helmet like it was butter. So be very careful with this if you make it, because this is the real deal. Road Warrior. I actually made this thing for a guy, and if you want to check out his video when he got it in the mail and cut up a chicken, I'll leave you a link at the bottom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching Cat's Cradle Forge.